Hello. And welcome back to Mentority, the channel dedicated to helping you excel in your career and personal development journey. I'm Vinay, your host and mentor. Today, we've got a crucial topic on the agenda: how to write an attention-grabbing cover letter. Why cover letters matter. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of crafting the perfect cover letter, let's discuss why it's essential. A cover letter is your first chance to make a lasting impression on a potential employer. It complements your resume by allowing you to showcase your personality, enthusiasm, and unique qualifications for the job. Research and personalization. Step 1 in creating an attention-grabbing cover letter is research. Research the company, its culture, and the specific job you're applying for. Show that you're genuinely interested and have taken the time to understand their needs. The structure of a cover letter. A well-structured cover letter has three essential parts: the introduction, the body, and the closing. First part, introduction. Start with a compelling opening sentence that grabs the reader's attention. Mention the job you're applying for and how you heard about it. Following is the best example of introduction. As a passionate data analyst with a knack for turning numbers into actionable insights, I was thrilled to discover the data analyst position at Palantir Technologies. With my 5 years of experience in data-driven decision-making and a strong foundation in statistical analysis, I'm confident that I can contribute to your data team's continued success. Next part, body. This is where you'll highlight your qualifications, skills, and experiences that make you the ideal candidate. Share specific examples of your achievements that relate to the job. Following is the best example of body paragraph. In my previous role at IBM Analytics, I spearheaded a project that led to a 20% increase in customer retention rates. Through meticulous data analysis, I identified customer behavior patterns and recommended targeted marketing strategies. This resulted in a significant boost in revenue, and I believe similar strategies could benefit Palantir Technologies. Final part, closing. Summarize your interest, express enthusiasm, and request an interview. Thank the reader for their time. Following is the best example of closing paragraph. Thank you for considering my application. I am excited about the opportunity to discuss how my skills and experiences align with the goals of Palantir Technologies. I look forward to the possibility of contributing to your team's success. Please find my resume attached, and I am available at your convenience for an interview. I will follow up in 1 week to inquire about the status of my application. Cover letter do's and don'ts. Now, let's talk about some do's and don'ts. Do keep it concise, ideally 1 page. Don't regurgitate your resume. Do address it to the hiring manager if possible. Don't use a generic template. Crafting an impactful first paragraph. The first paragraph is critical. Craft it carefully to make a lasting impression. Share a personal anecdote or an achievement that relates to the job. This shows your genuine interest and enthusiasm. Showcasing your value. In the body of your cover letter, focus on showcasing your value. Use specific examples of your accomplishments that align with the job requirements. Quantify your achievements whenever possible. Expressing enthusiasm and closing. In the closing paragraph, reiterate your enthusiasm for the role. Politely request an interview, and mention that you'll follow up. Thank the employer for considering your application. Proofreading and editing. Before sending, proofread your cover letter meticulously. Check for typos, grammar, and clarity. Consider asking a friend or mentor for feedback. And there you have it, your guide to crafting an attention-grabbing cover letter. Remember, your cover letter is your opportunity to make a memorable first impression, so put in the effort it deserves. Thank you for joining us on Mentority today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more valuable career and personal development insights.